Welcome to Lecture 3, Goals of the Class, the Big Picture. Now, I can go ahead and I can, you see everything in the curriculum, all the things we're going to do and everything about this course. But this is not what this lecture is about. I want to talk to you about the big picture. What is the overall goal that we're trying to do here? Now, I'm sure right now, if you're taking this course, you're in a situation where you want to take your knowledge to the next level and you want to step it up. You want to stand out. I have received so many feedback from so many different people saying, I took another course before, I know the basics, but I just can't get to that point where I create my own app. Or I know how to do everything the instructor told me, but I just can't do my own thing. And they're frustrated. Or they take a course and it's very, very basic. They don't really get into the real substance of everything. And they go over, and it's important. You need to take a beginner course, that's right. But I decided you need to have a course that can really take you to the next level. So what can you do to really be able to be creative, for you to be able to take advantage of something, to build powerful, phenomenal apps? Well, REST APIs, to me, is the opportunity for all developers. Now, if you don't know what a REST API is, let me just briefly tell you what it is, and we have a whole section on what web service technologies. Companies expose information over the internet in a form of REST APIs. Facebook, Twitter, every single company will have something out there, most likely, that you can get access to. And the information is pretty much free. You just register it and get an access token for security, and you can use it. Now, you know what they say? Data is power. Information is power, right? You get access to information over the internet. And when I mean information, it could be a matter of you enter a zip code and you go out to an API and you can get all the weather information. It could be something where you can enter your zip code and get all movie theaters in the area and then find out all the movies that are playing, and even then get access to watch previews. That's the type of stuff I'm talking about, right? You will be able to get information from all these different places, like a puzzle. Now think about it. Solve a problem. If you can get access to all this information that dynamically changes every day, this is information you're getting that companies spend tons of money to get this information available. You're getting access to for free, and then you can come up with a phenomenal user interface to be able to present this information and have an app that's useful, something that's powerful, something that someone could use and appreciate. That's what the goal of this course is. So where am I going here? The goal, the big picture, is for you to be able to take any REST API or multiple APIs, bring it and learn how to bring it into your app, how to consume it, how to do all the background processing, the networking, parsing the data, putting it into your class or creating a data structure, being able to get all that information to the user interface. That is a big piece. So I'm going to be walking through a music video app, and I'm going to be using an iTunes API as an example. But the goal is for you to be able to take any API, and when you know how to do this, you can do anything. That's the advantage. And all the things that we're going to do and all the code that we're writing is really written well with best coding practices, and I will always bring that up. And we will be following the model view controller design pattern, and we'll be doing everything correctly, and we'll be working as though we were in a real work environment. So we'll be using source control management, we'll be using Git and GitHub and Xcode integration with Git. I mean, you'll be doing everything. So now the question is, all right, what makes this course a little different? Well, I'm going to get into all that in the next lecture. All right, but the most important thing that you need to realize is that you have the power to do whatever you want when you get done with this course. And how are you going to do it? Well, I have challenges along the way that you're going to be building your own app in parallel of building the music video. So at different points of time, based on your knowledge, I'll be giving challenges. So you'll be thinking for yourself. You'll be applying these concepts. So it's not like you're just following me and I just say, do this, do that, do this. You're going to be thinking about your ideas, because I have challenges to make you think about things. And by the time we get done, you're going to have an app that you're passionate about, something that's really cool beyond the music video app. and you're going to be able to take these principles and these concepts and apply them. And so, yes, we're building a music video app, and it's really cool. But just remember, that's just an example. And I'm going to be going over a lot of great frameworks and libraries that every app should have, and you're really going to enjoy that. But just look at the big picture. Take any API or multiple APIs, consume it to my application, solve a unique problem, and be able to present it to any user interface of my choosing, and be able to make a powerful mobile app. That's the big picture of this course. So that's why I put this lecture in here, so you could see what the overall objective is. Now, as we go through the lectures, we'll get very specific on all the things you're going to learn, and all the things you're going to do. When you look at the roadmap, you'll see everything in detail. But I just wanted you to understand that's the goal. And I've gotten so much feedback from so many people saying, oh, I wish there was something out there that could help me take my knowledge to the next level, and make me be able to build my app on my own when I'm done. And this is the course for you. This is why I did it. So I think you now understand the concept of what we're trying to do here. So that concludes this particular lecture. The next lecture, I'm going to talk a little more about really what makes this course different, why you should take this course, what makes it unique, what makes it different than everyone else. And so I will see you on the next lecture.